I wish I had done this 10 years ago, but I'm glad I'm doing it now, and it's never too late. Hi, my name is Arianne, and I'm currently a third-year student at Whitecliffe in the Bachelor of Design and Digital Media. For my background, I initially started working in the fashion industry, and then from there I went into teaching, and I really loved teaching. I really loved the nature of the work. I loved working with youth in my community in West Auckland, and I found it really rewarding. I decided to pursue teaching as my career path, and I also wanted to become a better designer. I saw digital skills as the most useful skills to have for my career, and so I decided to pursue a Bachelor of Design and Digital Media so that I could improve my digital skills and gain necessary qualifications to keep going in the workforce. I've always enjoyed designing things and creating products and experiences for people to enjoy, and I'd kind of pushed my skills in Microsoft Word as far as they could go, and I knew I wanted to have better skills to be able to create the things that I could see visually, so it was time for me to enroll in a course that would teach me more digital skills where I could learn the Adobe suite so that I could create the things that I was visualizing in my mind, but at the time I didn't have the skills to create. When we ran Cliff's Garage, the student barbecue and market event, that was a really good time. It was for our design thinking paper, and I learned that I can apply design thinking as a skill to a whole range of problems. It doesn't just have to be about text on paper. So we wanted to get the community body together, and the event went really well. We had artists selling their wares, we had a big barbecue, we had performances, and everyone got to know each other, and it was a really good time. For me, I guess I really want to leave a mark or a legacy behind after I'm gone, and to leave the world in a slightly better place than I found it. And so my way of doing that is through design and through teaching. Through design, I get to make products that may outlive me after I'm gone, whether that's a leather handbag or a poster or something I've printed out. And so I get to leave a mark in a physical way. With the teaching, I get to leave a mark in a social way. I aspire to be one of those teachers where students can have a lot of fun and learn to express themselves through the power of technology and take those skills with them for life. I've learned I'm capable of doing hard things. I've learned that with new things, if I just keep pushing myself, that eventually I do get to this place where I get like an aha moment and everything clicks together. So I've learned to persevere through things that I may find challenging. And through those I've learnt a lot of new skills that I now use every day, and so it's been really rewarding to realise it about myself, that I have perseverance and that I can push through and learn new skills. So the staff here are really great. They really make you feel at home, and because of the small class sizes, the teachers really get to know you and know how to best support you, and I felt really supported along the way. And so that's what I've really enjoyed about being at Whitecliffe, is just getting to know all the staff and being encouraged along my personal journey. The size of the classes allows for a much more personalised experience, and that's what I was looking for. Because I was starting off in a brand new field, I wanted to know that I could ask for help if I needed it, and that's definitely been the experience I've got here through being at Whitecliffe. The most surprising thing that I discovered about myself is how much I enjoy working with digital tools and just the endless possibilities that they have. And I've been really inspired looking at other people's work, and there are so many things that I want to create that I now have the skills to create. So I guess I've been surprised at just the amount of inspiration I've got from doing this, and how much creativity it's inspired in me through doing a course like this. For me, it was when I was able to show my friends and family what I had created. I was really proud to show them the things that I'd made, and looking back and realising all the new skills that I'd learnt along the way. So that was when I knew that I'd make the right decision, when I was able to learn new skills and apply those skills, and I was really proud to show my friends and family all the work I'd been creating here. Change is scary, but it's where the most growth happens. Have faith in yourself and don't be afraid to start a new chapter.